another dentist here who didn't, but once Mandeep came, then he does implants, and so that was someone in the area who was doing it. Well, I had an infection in the front tooth, and it had been a crown. It was under the crown, so it was going to have to come out. And the option was to have a plate, which originally I did have in the beginning, but I didn't like it at all. So I thought, I think I'd like to have an implant, and I've had it for a year now. And there was no pain at all, only the normal you'd have from an injection, but from the process, I didn't have any pain at all. It was great. I'm so pleased I had it done. Oh, fantastic, fantastic. You know, from the first time I came and started the process, they were great. Just call up any problems, you could call at any time. And I think at one part when it's quite, shall we say, quite brutal, when they did a bit of bone implant as well. And so there's a bit of swelling for a day or two after that. And I thought, should it be this swollen? So I rung up and immediately was, come and see me. So straight away just fitted me in, and no, it was normal. You know, it was normal for the procedure. But they were always there at the end of the phone, or well, just, you can come in, you know. Fantastic service, really good, really good.
Nice.
Well, the fact that you don't have to take a denture in and out is the main thing. You don't have a plate at the roof of your mouth. It's just, you can go back to like, it's just having your teeth back, you know. So that was the main thing, not having to take something in and out your mouth. And a little bit, yeah, a little bit, especially when I knew there was going to have to be a bit of bone grafting. You think, oh, you know, it sounds like a mini-op, shall we say. Well,
how was the communication between
the
clinic and...
Brilliant, brilliant. You know, I wasn't unduly anxious. I was more excited, to be honest. I was excited to have it done.
Why is that?
Well, the thought of not having a plate, a denture, not having that. So I wasn't too anxious, a little bit nervous, but not too anxious. But he explained each step of the procedure, what they, you know, and even while he was doing it, explaining what was happening and what he was doing next, and what, you know, and at any time, you know, if I wanted him to stop or wait or anything like that, it was really good, really good. The implant procedure took about 6 months. The initial consultation, and then the next thing was impressions for the actual implant. The longest bit was when they were doing the bit of bone grafting, and then he had to actually cut the gum and then stitch it afterwards. They then put in, forgotten what they're called now, but there's 2 little bits they put in, and then you come back months later for the final fitting of your teeth. But in the meantime, you've got a plate in the meantime. I would definitely recommend the Grange Dental Clinic. Fantastic, great service.
Amazing, thank you very much. That's it. Thank you. Very beautiful smile. Amazing. Thank you so much, Trisha.